In this video, we're about to uncover the incredible health benefits of turmeric milk, the secrets of its preparation, and the science behind its magic. So watch the video till the end. Imagine a drink that's been cherished for centuries, hailed as liquid gold in traditional healing practices, and celebrated worldwide for its potential to transform your health. Welcome to the world of turmeric milk. Let's start with the star of the show, turmeric. This unassuming root, often found in your spice rack, harbors a powerhouse of healing properties. At the heart of turmeric's magic lies a compound called curcumin. It's this curcumin that gives turmeric its vibrant yellow hue and offers a treasure trove of health benefits. The key active compound in turmeric responsible for its myriad health benefits is curcumin. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that has been extensively studied for its therapeutic potential. But curcumin doesn't stop there. It's also a formidable anti-inflammatory agent, easing the fires of chronic inflammation that underlie many health issues. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to many health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and neurodegenerative conditions. Curcumin has demonstrated remarkable anti-inflammatory effects, potentially mitigating these concerns. Turmeric's natural compounds, including curcumin, exhibit antibacterial and antifungal properties. These properties may contribute to improved gut health and protection against infections. Beyond curcumin, turmeric contains other bioactive compounds like turmerone and gingerols, which have their own set of health benefits. These compounds work in synergy to enhance turmeric's overall therapeutic potential. Curcumin is a superhero antioxidant, swooping in to neutralize those harmful free radicals in your body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Imagine it as your body's own defense squad, working tirelessly to protect you. Now, let's talk about the golden elixir itself, turmeric milk. This ancient concoction, known as golden milk, or haldi doodh, is like a soothing hug for your insides. To brew this magic potion, you'll need just a few simple ingredients: milk, turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a touch of sweetness if you like. It's the marriage of these ingredients that creates a synergy, enhancing the benefits of turmeric. But why do we often recommend having it on an empty stomach? An empty stomach is like a clean canvas, ready to absorb all the goodness turmeric has to offer. This ensures that curcumin and its allies are absorbed into your bloodstream, ready to work their wonders. Now, brace yourself for the exciting part: the incredible health benefits of turmeric milk. You can also say it benefits of turmeric milk for health, or health benefits of turmeric powder with milk. First up, digestive health. Turmeric milk can be your go-to remedy for indigestion and bloating. Thanks to its ability to stimulate bile production and soothe your digestive tract. Weight management. Turmeric milk might be your secret weapon. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties could assist you on your journey to shed those extra pounds. And when it comes to bolstering your immune system, turmeric milk packs a punch. Its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents are like your body's own personal bodyguards, ready to fend off illnesses. Joint pain? Arthritis? Turmeric milk might offer some relief. Its anti-inflammatory powers could ease your discomfort, potentially improving your mobility. Dreaming of radiant skin? Turmeric milk could be your beauty secret. It may help clear up acne, improve your complexion, and alleviate skin conditions. But we're not done yet. Turmeric milk goes beyond the basics. Emerging research hints at its potential to support mental health by influencing neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. It's like a natural mood booster. Cancer prevention? While ongoing studies are exploring curcumin's ability to inhibit cancer cell growth, the results so far are promising. Liver detoxification? Turmeric milk's liver-loving qualities may help your body cleanse itself, offering a shield against toxins and excessive alcohol consumption. And let's not forget your heart. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may be your heart's best friends, keeping it healthy and strong. Blood sugar reduce? Curcumin's antioxidant properties help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and its associated health risks. Oxidative stress is linked to chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and cardiovascular problems. Preparation and consumption. Traditional recipes. Traditional turmeric milk recipes vary, but they generally involve simmering milk with turmeric, black pepper, and other spices. Here's a basic recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup of milk, dairy or plant-based. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. A pinch of black pepper. A pinch of ginger, optional. A pinch of cinnamon, optional. Honey or a sweetener of choice, optional. Instructions. In a saucepan, heat the milk on low-medium heat. Add turmeric, black pepper, and other optional ingredients. Simmer for 5–10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Remove from heat, strain, and sweeten to taste. Dosage and frequency. The ideal dosage of turmeric milk can vary depending on individual factors and health goals. Generally, starting with 1–2 cups per day is recommended. It's essential to listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional if you have specific health concerns or are considering higher doses. Safety first. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Turmeric is generally safe, but it's not immune to allergies or sensitivities. Always do a patch test if you're applying it topically. And start with small amounts when consuming it. If you're on medication, especially blood-thinning drugs or those affecting stomach acid, consult your healthcare provider before making turmeric milk a daily ritual. Pregnant or breastfeeding. Exercise caution with high doses of turmeric or curcumin supplements. It's best to consult your healthcare provider. And remember, excessive consumption may lead to gastrointestinal discomfort in some individuals. Adjust the dosage and seek professional advice if needed. How to incorporate turmeric milk. So, how can you make turmeric milk a part of your daily routine? You can combine it with other nutritious foods, like whole grains, vegetables, and lean proteins, to create balanced, health-boosting meals. Integrate it into your daily routine, like a warm, comforting habit that pampers your body. And, as always, consult with healthcare professionals for personalized guidance, based on your unique health needs. In conclusion, turmeric milk isn't just a beverage. It's a centuries-old remedy that could be your key to a healthier, happier you. So, the next time you sip on that golden elixir, remember the wonders it holds and the journey it takes you on. A journey towards wellness, vitality, and the goodness of turmeric. Thanks for joining us on this quest for knowledge. Stay tuned for more exciting insights into the world of health and wellness.